Hello, what's up everyone? Naimbag nga aldaw. Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. I am your Madam Ronabel.
And I'm your mom, Princess Abibara.
Vice grip. The vice grip is the brand name for locking pliers that can clamp onto an object with a strong vice-like grip. These tools are used for gripping, holding, and turning various materials with a mechanism that allows them lock onto an object after the handles are squeezed together. So the next tools is the water pump pliers, or also known as tongue and groove or multi-grip pliers. This is the adjustable pliers with serrated jaws designed for gripping, turning pipes, nuts, and bolts. They have a sliding jaws that allows the lower jaw to adjust to a wide range of sizes, making them suitable for holding thicker objects or irregularly shaped parts. Long nose pliers. This pliers is used for gripping, bending, and cutting wires into tight and hard to reach spaces. Their long and narrow jaws are ideal for electrical work, intricate crafts like jewelry making, automotive repairs, and general maintenance where precision is needed. Then the next one is the lineman's pliers. These are the pliers that used for in the electrical trade, where there is a need to cut, straighten, and bend wire, and also to twist wires together when making splices. A pull-push rule or tape measure is a flexible retractable measuring tool used to measure length, width, and height of objects or spaces. Its primary functions include measuring both long and short straight distances. So it is retractable case allows for easy storage and portability. It's used when there is a need to cut an object needed for the refrigeration. So a brazing torch is a refrigeration tool used in soldering the joints of two copper tubes together. Nut drivers is a specialized tools used for tightening and loosening nuts and bolts with hexagonal head. It offers more control and efficiency rather than the traditional wrenches and traditional screwdrivers and adjustable wrench. A ratchet function is a mechanical device that allows continuous motion in one direction while preventing motion in the opposite direction. It consists of a gear or rock with teeth and pole that engages the teeth. This function is used in tools and machinery to tighten and loosen fastener efficiently, such as the socket wrenches, or to provide a controlled incremental movement in one direction, like in a mechanical instruments or a hoist. Socket wrench extension bar. It is used to extend the reach of a socket wrench, allowing access to fasteners in confined or hard-to-reach areas. Sliding T-handle wrench, which is a type of hand tool used with sockets. It is a versatile tool used for loosening or tightening fasteners, offering leverage and access to hard-to-reach areas. Universal joint socket adapter. This tool is designed to allow a socket wrench to operate at an angle, which is ideal for working in confined or awkward spaces. Socket wrench sockets. These are interchangeable heads used with a ratchet or wrench handle to tighten or loosen nuts and bolts. Socket wrench set is specifically a Bahco 17-piece metric 3/4 inch standard socket with a ratchet head, T-sliding bar, 2 extension bars, and 12 hex sockets. Torqued bait socket tool used with a ratchet or driver for fasteners with 6-point star-shaped recess.
A tube bender spring type consists of two main categories, which is the internal and external spring. Walls and prevent kinking during manual bending. Aluminum tubing and are consist based on tube's diameter. A tube cutter is a tool with a cutting wheel that is used to cut tubes, often made of soft materials like copper or PVC, to a specific length. And that is yoke assembly. The components of a flaring tool that holds the flaring cone to process it down into the copper tubing to create cone shape and leak-proof fittings. And that is a bar assembly. Bar assembly is a tool used to flaring process to create secure, leak-proof connections in copper tubing. And that is a cone assembly. The components of flaring tool that forms conical shapes at the end of the copper tube. And that is a socket wrench. Socket wrench is the version also known as a wrenching wrench, as a handle and interchangeable socket to fit different fasteners. Socket wrench has a different sizes like 1/4, 3/8, 1/2, or others. And then we have a screwdrivers. That one is a flat-headed screwdriver, and that one is a Phillips screwdriver with a cross-shaped tip to the top.